Hi, I'm Margaret, and today's video is part of a collaboration that's been organised by Jimmy Dick from Jimmy Dick's International Eats. If you follow the hashtag FallFest2021, you'll find Jimmy's video, along with videos from all the participants. There's some great recipe videos. Sissy Snags, Cooking with Anardi, and In the Kitchen with Karen have all put together their favourite autumn recipe. So follow the hashtag to find out more. Well, while I've been talking, you can see from the video, I've been popping some tempered dark chocolate into some little chocolate moulds. Let's scrape the top to give it a nice clean edge and just spread that chocolate onto the baking paper so we can use it again later. I found these lovely little leaf moulds which I thought might be quite nice to make some autumn coloured leaves to decorate the chocolates with. I've used white chocolate and I've coloured it with gel food colours. The gel colour is important because if you use the regular food colouring, they're water-based and they will just make the chocolate seize. I'm using a paintbrush to get the chocolate right into the corners of the mould. I don't want any bubbles in there. Then I'm just topping up each of the little crevices to make sure there's plenty of chocolate in each one. Then a smooth scrape over the top to get a nice clean edge. I've chosen a couple of colours that might look quite nice on top of the chocolates. There we go. Now for the filling. I've chosen peanut butter for this, so first of all a little bit in the bottom of each. And these little frozen raspberries cut in half will be so nice and juicy. I was a bit worried to start with about them being frozen because of course as they melt they will be wet and water and chocolate don't go well together. So I've tried to push them into the peanut butter and I'm going to make sure that they're well covered. I've microwaved the second lot of peanut butter just to make sure it covers them nicely. And finally, another drizzle of dark chocolate just to seal them. Then into the fridge with them, preferably overnight, so they're properly set. And now all that's left is to pop these little leaves out of the mould and to glue them onto the top of the chocolates with a little bit of melted chocolate. To be honest, at this stage I was a little bit worried that the water from the raspberries might have leaked out into the chocolate, but no, it worked nicely. That peanut butter must have surrounded the raspberry beautifully. These little chocolate moulds are so easy to use and you can experiment with so many different flavours. I do hope you found my video interesting and enjoyed watching today. Don't forget to follow the hashtag FallFest2021 to find lots of other recipes that you might enjoy for the autumn season. Thanks to Jimmy for organising the collaboration. Have a great week, take care out there, and I'll catch you again really soon.